Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and use Cash App QR code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. With QR codes, you can easily scan someone else's code to quickly pay, or you can show them yours to get paid. I'll also show you a quick trick at the end on how you can print your QR code. To get started, first, find and open Cash App. Once you're inside, tap the money symbol on the bottom center menu to get to the pay screen. Once you're here on the top left of this screen, you'll see the camera icon that looks like a square. Choose this. The first time that you do this, you'll need to allow Cash App access to your camera. You'll only have to do this once, so go ahead and hit allow. After that, you have two options at the bottom. The first is scan, which is what we're on by default, and that allows you to scan other users' Cash App QR codes. All you do is have them pull their QR code up. You scan it with your camera, and then you can quickly and easily pay or request. Next to that, you have My Code. Choose this, and then you'll see your own custom QR code. This is what you'll show to the other user, who can then use Scan on their device to quickly scan and pay you. Now, a quick trick if you want to print this out is by taking a screenshot and then printing it to a wireless printer. I've seen a few people ask about this, so I figured this would be the easiest way to do this. While you're on the My Code screen, take a screenshot by pressing the volume up and the right side button at the same time. Once the screenshot appears, you'll then get to the edit screen. Inside of here, you can crop your image if you want to, and when you're ready to print, tap the share icon on the top right corner of the screen. This looks like the square with the arrow pointing up on the next screen. Scroll down until you see Print inside of the menu, and then from here you can use AirPrint to print to a wireless printer on your Wi-Fi network. So that's basically how you can find and use Cash App QR code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.